Hello again, I'm Dan, Red Mechanic, continuing the topic of DOT, U.S. Department of Transportation, requirements for the safe and efficient use of the truck on the road. Today we are going to talk about the outside of the truck, which first of all must be painted in bright colors so that other drivers can see it on the road. All of the components on the outside of the truck should be well secured and not damaged. 1. The hood. All plastic elements must be fixed securely and lockers fitted too. The bumper must also be well secured so there is no risk of losing it. 3. Lights, intact glass, working lights. 4. Truck side sills should be in proper condition, not wobbly. 5. All around the perimeter of the truck there should be no damaged parts. 6. Catwalk must be well secured. 7. Carefully check all fenders and mud flaps, also to make sure they are well secured so they don't get lost on the road. 8. Mirrors. Both parts of the mirror, both left and right sides, should be without cracks or other damage, properly positioned for comfortable use. 9. Front glass must also be undamaged with no stickers or other items attached to it under 6 inches. 10. Side windows must be without cracks and with darkening to a maximum of 70%. 11. Also take care of the condition of the wipers, they must work properly. If even one of them is out of order, we advise you to replace it immediately. Regular checks for truck damage ensure safety on the road because damaged elements can lead to accidents. It is advisable not to take any chances, and in case your truck needs to be repaired, contact an experienced mechanic. Want to know more useful information? Download the Red Mechanic app for free and subscribe to our news. Have a good trip and see you soon.